Alright everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to install the 3060 RTX Overclock Edition. This is the ROG STRIX by ASUS. And let me just show you guys, bring this into view here. Look how massive this is. So, first, we're going to actually do a whole video about removing your old GPU and everything for those of you who haven't done that. For the rest of you guys can probably skip ahead, but there's something you guys can't see in the frame. It's over here on my left. You could fit two little fans here. What I've done is I've put them outside of the case, and I'll show you guys later, and put them in fan slot number 3 right there to suck up all the air. And that's very useful when you are when you're running two GPUs under full load. Even as you can see, I've changed all the fans in this case that it came with, but it's just, this case was just getting too hot, so I did that to get the temps down to around 59 degrees, because under full load with two cards, the top card was always getting up to 68, 69, and you know, when you're doing rendering work or you're keeping the computer on 24/7, it's not ideal to keep it at that temp. And for you people that are mining, obviously not a good idea either. Okay, now I should have let this cool down, but this is actually a 1650 Super. So as you can see, there's not much for cooling, and this is probably why this card is getting so hot. But that EVGA is actually sold. Let's get, if you have one of these, you gotta get all the little rubber things off. Make sure to do it not on top of your computer case like I am, but I'm just showing you guys, and I'm doing it off screen now so I don't drop any of these things in. But there's a lot of plastic stuff on this that you gotta take off so it doesn't catch fire, like obviously this. I need this off, but you should probably save it if you're going to sell the card again. And as you can see, protective film. Where do we take it off? And sorry guys, it's very hard with the camera mount. I'm curious if this card's even going to fit in here. Now the front one. Now, like I said, I'm going to be running it at 75% load only. I mean, at 75% power. So it shouldn't have... Oh wow, this actually does fit in. I'm actually a little bit shocked that it fit in that easily. It is close to the 1070 Ti Mini that I got, but you know, we're not going to run these at full power or at full load until we get a few things situated. But let's plug this in, and as you can see, that's how it goes. Make sure they're secured, and then obviously you want to put back your two bolts to make sure that it doesn't move around. And then in a separate video, I'm going to do the fan mod, give you guys a step-by-step how I did it, and we're gonna see how the temperatures are. But that's pretty much it. So we'll do a video and we're gonna test the card out for just playing Fortnite, streaming on YouTube at the same time, and recording, and we're gonna see how that handles it. And then also we'll check for Ether mining and Raven Coin, just for everyone else that is not using these cards for gaming. Alright guys, enjoy. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and like.